Assalamu alaikum, my little creatives, and welcome to our art adventure. Today we're going to be making this Tawakkul puzzle. And as we craft, we're going to be learning the importance of Tawakkul. Are you excited? You're going to need some cardboard, scissors and glue, colours, and coloured paper. Your feedback is so important to improving our channel, so please write me a comment. The link is in the description below. Shall we get started?
Before we begin any task, we start by saying Bismillah. So say it with me. Bismillah. Great job. I'm going to cut out 2 squares. Let's hear a story. Yusuf was an 8-year-old boy with a curious heart. And one rainy afternoon, he was sitting in the living room holding a big box of puzzle pieces. He poured all 500 pieces onto the floor. The pieces were all different colours, and it looked like a huge mess. He sighed. "This looks impossible," he said. His mother came and sat beside him. "Why does it feel impossible, Yusuf?" "Because all I see are random little pieces. I don't know how they all fit together," Yusuf replied. His mother warmly smiled. "That is exactly how life feels sometimes. But do you remember what this is called when you keep trying your best and trust that Allah will make it all work out?" Yusuf thought for a moment. "Is it Tawakkul?" "Yes," his mother said proudly. Tawakkul means we try our very best and then we trust Allah to take care of the results. Like this puzzle, you must put the pieces where they go, but trust that the final picture will come out beautiful because it was designed that way. Now I'm cutting a border along the square. Then I'm going to stick that on our larger square and see that everything fits perfectly. Tawakkul is an Arabic word that means trusting in Allah, but not in a lazy way. A person with tawakkul tries their best with effort and good intentions. Makes dua, asking Allah to help, and leaves the results in Allah's hands with full trust, believing Allah's plan is always better, even if it's different from what we expected. His mother explained that sometimes we think something is bad, but later we see how Allah used that thing to give us something even better. Like a puzzle piece that looks ugly and dark on its own, but in the big picture, it becomes part of a beautiful tree or shadow. Every single piece is important. And tawakkul means believing that Allah sees the full picture, while we only see a few tiny pieces. Now I'm going to glue our other square onto a piece of coloured paper and cut that out. Over the next few weeks, Yusuf began trying to apply tawakkul in different parts of his life. For example, when he studied hard for a test, he said, "Ya Allah, I did my best. Please help me. I trust you." When he lost his favourite toy, instead of getting angry, he said, "Maybe Allah will give me something even better. Or maybe someone else needs it more." And when he got sick and had to miss a fun family trip, He felt sad, but he whispered, Allah knows best. Maybe something bad would have happened, and Allah is protecting me. Each time Yusuf showed trust, his heart felt calmer and happier. He realized that Tawakkul brought peace inside him. When he fully trusted that Allah knows best, and He does what will benefit us. Now we can color in our puzzle. I'm going to write Tawakkul means trust in Allah. Yusuf loved to play soccer. He tried out for his team and he trained every day and practiced all kinds of moves. On the day of his tryouts, he did his best. But when the results were announced, Yusuf was chosen only as a substitute player, not in the main team. At first, he felt disappointed. He had really wanted to be on the starting team. But then he remembered Tawakkul. He told himself, maybe Allah wants me to focus on my Quran recitation anyway. Or maybe I will get a chance later and be even more ready. Allah's plan is better than mine. A few weeks later, one of the main players hurt his foot, and Yusuf got called to play in the main team. Only now he was stronger and more prepared because he kept practicing. And his turn came at the perfect time. He realized Allah was saving the best moment for me. That's exactly how the puzzle pieces work. When one piece doesn't fit, maybe it's because it belongs to a different area of the picture. Allah knows where every piece goes. Yusuf learnt that tawakkul is not laziness. You still have to work hard and do your part. Tawakkul brings peace. You stop worrying about every little thing. Tawakkul helps you be patient. You understand that Allah's timing is perfect. Tawakkul helps you see life like a puzzle. Not every piece will make sense right away, but the final picture will be beautiful. Let's look at some steps of tawakkul. We first make our intention, like opening the box and saying, I want to build this puzzle for Allah. You work hard, like sorting the edges, looking for patterns and trying your best. You make dua and ask Allah, Ya Allah, help me find the right pieces and give me success. And trust Allah's result. If a piece doesn't fit here, trust that Allah will show you where it truly belongs later. Be patient and thankful no matter what happens. Just like our puzzle, Allah sees the full picture. We can't see everything. Even the bad pieces are useful. We need patience. Trust comes after effort, and not everything always goes our way. But it will go the right way because Allah is in control and He knows what's best for us. So now we can cut up our pieces and turn it into a puzzle. When we really trust Allah, we learn to say, Hasbunallahu wa ni'mal wakil, which means Allah is enough for us and He is the best one to take care of everything. Or we can say, Tawakkaltu ala Allah, which means I place my trust in Allah. Every time Yusuf said those words, his heart felt lighter, like his burden was being lifted. Just like how a difficult puzzle suddenly becomes easier when you trust there is a picture waiting. At the end of the day, Yusuf really understood that tawakkul is not only for when things go the way we want. Tawakkul is believing Allah knows what is best, even if I do not yet understand it. Just like the puzzle, all the pieces of our life, good and bad, happy and sad, come together exactly the way Allah wants. And His way is always the most perfect way.
Wow, look at the beautiful craft you made! I'm so proud of the amazing work you did today. Look, now we can have fun putting the pieces in place. Let's end with a short dua. Raise your hands and repeat after me. Oh Allah, I put my trust in you. You are my protector and provider. Ameen. And don't forget to leave a comment in the feedback form below so I can improve my channel for you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.